Hello, Amazon.com. Beau coming to you today with this adorable dangling succulent. It's actually on the back. It's, well, I'll show you this other one right here. This is what it looks like without the dangling plant. It comes with this little O-ring, so it's very easy to install. It does stay put, so if I were to kind of tug it like that. From a driving perspective, I'm right here and I can kind of look to my right. It doesn't really impede your visual point of view quite, you know, well, let's just be honest. Your phone's probably gonna be there anyway. So, you know, if you're like maybe a shorter person, like way down here, you may not want something like that. But for me personally, I am way up here. My wife is about right here, this level. And that it works absolutely beautifully. As a matter of fact, I saw this little succulent plant, which looks real, although it is not real. It is actually fake. Doesn't that look real? Isn't that amazing? And I saw it on someone else's truck. She had a big white truck similar to that one. And I said, where did you get that thing? And she had it like handmade. This macrame right here was handmade by someone. I just got it on Amazon because I'm a cheapskate. And she said, well, thank you for noticing my little dangling succulent because it makes me smile every single time I get in the car. Now, I do give this a 5 out of 5 stars mainly for the price. If in fact I were to pay a little bit more, I would give it less simply because it also came with this potted plant. And this one doesn't quite look as real. This one pretty much, what you see is what you get, which is a little plastic plant. Granted, it does come in a cute little red style pottery thing, so I guess you could swap it out for a real plant if you'd like, because as you're driving along it pretty much stays put. So if you put real dirt in there, it's probably not going to fly around unless of course you get in a huge car accident. Then of course everything's going to be destroyed in your car, including your little dangling succulent. But this little guy right there works wonderfully for my personal use. I will put the link to this unique little dangling thing in the description below, and I hope that this gives you a real world visual as to sort of how it looks from the perspective of a driver. That's it. My name is Beau. I'll catch you later.